Welcome to the lecture series on programming with problem solving, and here we are going to discuss the concept related to the void and the null pointer. So they are the fundamental concepts which are particularly used with the dynamic memory allocation, generic functions, and pointer-based data structure. Here you can see the syntax of void pointer. The syntax we can write as void star ptr. And this void pointer, it is a special type of pointer that can point to any data type. So here it is a sample program to understand the concept of void pointer. This void pointer, it do not have a type, but we cannot dereference them directly. They has to be cast to another pointer type before dereferencing. So here, this line you can see this void pointer, it is pointing to an integer. So this wall is an integer here. And then here you can see the casting a void pointer to an integer pointer before dereferencing. So this is an example of the void pointer which points to an integer variable val. And before we dereference ptr, we are casting to an integer int. So these are the things we are supposed to know on this void pointer. And next we will move on to the null pointer. So this null pointer, it does not point to any valid memory location. And here it is represented by the macro null, which is defined in the header files. So here is a sample program to understand the concept of a null pointer. And here you can see this is not void, this is int star ptr. So here is a program to understand the concept of null pointer. So this line int star ptr is equal to null, that means it is initializing the pointer to the null. And here you can see if pointer is equal to null, we are supposed to print the void pointer is null. So you will not get any output, the pointer value will be 0. So in this example, this ptr is an integer pointer which is initialized to null. So the condition ptr is equal to null, it will check that the ptr pointer is null and it prints the message accordingly. Then here you can see one more example related to the void pointer. So again, the void pointer is a pointer that has associated no data type in it. So it can hold the address of any type and it has to be typecasted before dereferencing. And so again, the same program is repeated related to the null pointer, and the key points which are related to the void pointers are it can point to any data type, it cannot be dereferenced directly, and it must cast to an appropriate pointer type first. And the key points related to the null pointer are it represents pointers that do not point to any valid memory location. It is commonly used to initialize the pointers and check if pointers are assigned to it. So here in this case, the value of the pointer will be 0. Thank you.